Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate program and a traffic source which you can utilize to earn recurring commissions every single month. This is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end so you can understand the entire strategy. What is that affiliate program which we are going to utilize and what is that traffic source? This is going to be a paid traffic source. You just have to invest some of your money to start getting this method to work. Okay, this is really important. So now let's dive into the content and I will show you the program. Okay, the program is called Builderall. Okay, Builderall is a program which people use to create website, to create landing pages, and most of the people who are related to make money online industry are interested in this programs and are promoting this program. Okay, so what you can do is just go to Builderall, sign up as an affiliate for this program. Okay, once you sign up as an affiliate for the Builderall program, you can get the affiliate link of this program and now you can get customers for this program. Okay, now how you are gonna get customers for this program is really easy. Okay, all you need to do is get your affiliate link and you have to go to this website which is known as Udemy. Okay, this is a website where you can you can buy solo ads. Solo ads is something that all creators as well as people who are affiliates. Okay, and they have huge email lists, and once you just buy some clicks from these people, they are gonna send your affiliate link to their entire email list and you can start making money. Okay, you can just piggy bank on their email lists. Okay, utilizing this strategy. Now let's click one of the person and we'll see that. See, you can get here okay, for you can get 300 links just for $126 over here. So you can give your affiliate link of Builderall to this person and he will send 300 visitors to this, and if only 5 or 10 people buy this program Builderall, you are gonna get a commission for a very long period of time, because Builderall is a program which provides you with recurring commissions for a very long period of time. So you are gonna send almost 300 visitors just by investing $126. You can earn a lot of money in recurring commissions for a very long period of time. So this is something which you can do it and you can start making some decent amount of money. And if you don't have $126, I have a lot of videos on my channel which can teach you how to get some cash people money, or how to get some affiliate commissions absolutely utilizing free methods. Just use those methods, get some money and invest your $126 or $200 to this, and you can start promoting this program which will pay you a recurring commission every single month for a very long period of time. So this is really interesting. Anyone can do this stuff and start making some real good amount of money, because you don't need to promote any products. All they are gonna do, all these affiliates of Udemy are going to do all the work for you. All you need to do is just send them your affiliate link and that's it. You are done and you are gonna really make some great amount of money. So this is something which really works, as these all are targeted people as well as these are all experienced affiliates who have a really good quality email list. So you are gonna make a lot of money. All you need to do is invest a little money and you can get a lot of sales and a lot of recurring commissions for a very long period of time. So if you are interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, online business, then this is the best channel for you. I have created almost 150 plus videos. You can check out even other videos of mine. They will also provide you a ton of value and teach you how to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.